Good morning. In the earlier lecture, we discussed orthogonal matrix and we solved one problem on it. Let us go to the next article, Hermitian matrix. While discussing types of matrices, I have already told you about the Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix is a square matrix such that every ith element of that matrix is conjugate of jth element of that matrix. How is this matrix? Every ith element is conjugate of every jth element. The given matrix should be such that its every ith element should be conjugate of every jth element. That is, Aij should be equal to Aij bar. Aij is equal to Aij bar. In other words, A bar transpose of this is A theta. This should be equal to A. This is the condition for Hermitian matrix. This is also the condition for Hermitian matrix. What is meaning of this? The transpose of conjugate matrix of a matrix should be the matrix itself. The transpose of conjugate of a matrix, that is A theta, should be the given matrix itself. If transpose of conjugate of a given matrix is the matrix itself, that matrix is known as Hermitian matrix. Let us see whether such matrices are present actually. For that, let us solve a problem so that we can verify whether the given matrix is Hermitian. Let us go for the first problem. And first problem is verify here, prove that the matrix A is equal to 1 minus I 2, 1 plus I, 3, I, 2, minus I, 0 is Hermitian. So let us try to prove this. This is matrix A. Let us start the solution. A is 1, 1 plus I, 2, 1 minus I, 3 minus I, 2 I, 0. This is matrix A. What will be A bar? A bar will be conjugate of matrix A. To get conjugate, what we do? We shall change the sign of I. Minus I, write this plus I. Plus I, write this minus I. Plus I, write this minus I. Minus I, write this plus I. Change the sign of I of the elements of given matrix to get the conjugate matrix, and that is what? 1 minus I, 2, 1 plus I, 3 plus I, 2 I, 2 minus I, 0. This is given matrix A. It is conjugate of this matrix. Conjugate of a matrix is obtained by changing the sign of the imaginary part. Then, transpose of the conjugate, which is equal to A theta, is equal to, interchange the rows and columns of this conjugate matrix. That is 1 plus I, 2, 1 minus I, 3 minus I, 2 I, 0. Compare this A theta with the given matrix. 1 minus I, 2, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, 3 I, 1 plus I, 3 I, 2, minus I, 0, 0. It means that this is nothing but matrix A. As this is matrix A, therefore A theta is equal to transpose of conjugate of A is A itself. As this is true, the given matrix is Hermitian matrix. It is proved. It is proved from this solution that the given matrix A is Hermitian matrix. Let us go for one more problem on Hermitian matrix, and that is three 5 minus 2I minus 3, 5 plus 2I, 7 minus 4I minus 3, 4I and 5. 3, 5 minus 2i minus 3. 5 plus 2i is 7 minus 4i minus 3, 4i and 5. Let us verify whether this is Hermitian or not. So matrix A is, just write it here, 3, 5 minus 2i minus 3, 5 plus 2i, 7 minus 4i minus 3 plus 4i plus 5. This is given matrix A. Let us get its conjugate. Conjugate of this matrix is obtained by changing the sign of the imaginary part I. So I have to write 3 as it is. This will be 5 plus 2i minus 3 as it is, 5 minus 2i, 7 plus 4i minus 3 minus 4i, 5. 3 written as it is, 5 minus 2i written as 5 plus 2i. Minus 3 written as it is, 5 plus 2i written as 5 minus 2i, 7 written as it is, minus 4i written as plus 4i, minus 3 written as it is, plus 4i written as minus 4i, 5 written as it is. This is conjugate of matrix A. Now get matrix A theta or transpose of conjugate, that is, just interchange the rows and columns. 3, 5 minus 2i minus 3, 5 plus 2i, 7 minus 4i minus 3 plus 4i plus 5. The rows are replaced as columns. This is the first row, 3, 5 minus 2i minus 3. It is written here, 3, 5 minus 2i minus 3. Second row, 5 plus 2i, 7 minus 4i, written as second column. 5 plus 2i, 7 minus 4i. Third row, minus 3, 4i, 4i, 5, 5. Third row is written as third column. Now let us compare matrix A theta or transpose of matrix A bar with the given matrix 3, 3, 5 plus 2i, 5 plus 2i, minus 3, minus 3. 5 minus 2i, 5 minus 2i, 7, 7, 4i, 4i, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4i, minus 4i, 5, 5. It is nothing but 8. Therefore, here we have A theta or transpose of conjugate of A is equal to A, and from this equation the conclusion we draw is the given matrix A is Hermitian matrix. So this is about Hermitian matrix and 2 problems on Hermitian matrix. You may try more problems. Hope you understood it. Thank you.